Welcome medicos. In this video we are going to talk about the NMC achievement of the prestigious WFME recognition status for 10 years. So the National Medical Commission has achieved this prestigious WFME recognition for the tenure of 10 years. So in this press release it was informed that the National Medical Commission India has achieved and awarded the coveted World Federation for Medical Education recognition status for the remarkable tenure of 10 years. In the words of Dr. Yugin Malik, who is the member of Ethics and Medical Registration Board and Head Media Division at NMC, he says this WFME recognition underscores that the quality of medical education in India adheres to the global standards. This accolade empowers our students with the opportunity to pursue their careers anywhere in the world, while also making India an attractive destination for international students due to our globally recognized standards. As part of this recognition, WFME will be presenting an official award letter also and a recognition certificate in the upcoming days. Now let us see what is this WFME. So the World Federation for Medical Education is a global organization dedicated to enhance the quality of medical education worldwide. And this accreditation program plays a pivotal role in ensuring that medical institutes meet and uphold the highest international standard of education and training. And NMC getting this is a very big thing and a proud moment. The NMC is India's premier regulatory body overseeing medical education and practice. It is committed to uphold the highest standards in healthcare education. NMC ensures the delivery of quality medical education and training across the nation. So congratulations for this. Thank you.